wheel chocks are a Harbor Freight product. These in particular are over 5 years old. Ben has had them since his previous fifth wheel. That's not to say that we don't have some newer ones, because we do. But these have worn tough. And just recently, the handle broke on this one. And it's still usable, however, so we've held on to it and we continue to use it. They are starting to degrade a little bit, but we will be replacing them because they have worked really well and they are inexpensive. So they'll be easily replaced and we will continue to use these wheel chocks.
When we place these in, I put it down on the front and then I have Lauren pull forward. I give her the signal and she will pull forward, placing a lot of pressure on this one. Then I'll carefully place the one in back. She'll put the truck in neutral and let the trailer settle. By using this method, now these chocks are firmly in place, keeping anyone from stealing them and holding the trailer securely. We do this on both sides. And then to release them, I'll give Lauren the signal for her to pull forward. She will pull taut against the front one, relieving this one. I'll remove this one and she can back off of the front one, releasing it.
These are a Harbor Freight RV must-have.